Are you interested in analyzing more data on your Google Sheets? Meet Apipheny, a tool for data analysts, digital marketers, business owners, and agency owners that integrates data without requiring users to write code, available in the G Suite Marketplace as an add-on for Google Sheet. Let us see what this great software is all about and discover a great deal for you and your business. Apipheny makes it possible for anyone to connect Google Sheets to API. After successfully connecting your API to Google Sheets, you can import API data into your Google Sheets and then use that data to create individualized dashboards and reports. All of this is at a much more affordable price compared to alternative data integration and visualization platforms. Apipheny is a reasonably priced tool that can either be utilized in conjunction with other data collection tools or as an alternative to those tools. For example, you can generate reasonably priced marketing reports with PPC, social, SEO, and analytics data with the help of your spreadsheet that Apipheny powers. In addition, you can make your data look more admirable by using Google Sheets templates, or you can integrate your sheet with an accessible data visualizer such as Getboard or Google Data Studio to produce charts and dashboards comparable to those used in enterprises without paying the enterprise price. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? Increase your data analysis on Google Sheets using Apipheny. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.